I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey loves, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. This unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. As you can see, it doesn't come with any combs whatsoever. It just comes with adjustable straps, and there is no lace with this wig, meaning that it doesn't have any parting space whatsoever. I have this unit in the color 99J and it's 18 inches long. And if you're interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. So I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now, let me go ahead and give you guys the specs and stuff about this unit, and then, yeah, I don't think this is going to be a very long video because it didn't take a whole lot. Okay, so this unit, the name is UNice Burgundy Silk Straight Human Hair Wig with Bangs, Glueless Machine Made Wig for Women, Real Hair Wig, Bet U Series. And the details that they have down here, it says hair color, it says series, it's the Bet U series, hair color 99J, 100% human hair. You can get it in Brazilian, Malaysian, Peruvian, or Indian. The texture is straight. It's a wear and go cap wigs, long human hair wig, medium human hair. It can be dyed. It's available in an average cap size. I don't think you can get it in any other cap size, just, you know, the standard cap size. And I think that's all the details that they have. Now, I have this unit in 18 inches, if I'm not mistaken, girl. Don't get me the line. I think it's 18. Child, it ain't on the back. I think it's 18 inches, but whatever it is, I should have it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. But it's only available in 18 or 20 inches. And like I said, is 99J the color, and it says wear and go cap, which, you know, basically means there's no lace with this wig whatsoever. There's no combs with this wig whatsoever. I don't think I own, this is my first human hair wig that's like that, so that is different for me. Okay, so this wig in 18 inches is $133. honey. Okay, you can't really beat that with a stick. Like, even though it doesn't have any lace or all of that, it is still a human hair wig, and you know, you can do other things to it, like, you know, dyeing it and straightening it, and it is a longer length. So I'm not mad at the price whatsoever. And if you do decide to get it in 20 inches, it's $158. Okay, so yeah, that is the details and specs that I have on it right now. What do I want to say about it? As far as shedding and tangling, y'all, like, I have on this white shirt. This wig is, well, hold on, don't call me no liar, girl. Nope, it's not shedding. That hair that I just saw was actually attached to the wig. So yeah, I haven't gotten any shedding with this wig, and it's definitely not tangly whatsoever. You know, whenever I have on a straight wig, I have a tendency to do this. Like, this is my little number, honey. Okay, and this 99J is a noticeable 99J. I would say that this one is a, I don't know, because people have different definitions of what's light and dark, but to me this is like a darker 99J in my personal opinion. Like, you can tell that it's 99J, but you know, it's not like a scary color. Like, it's a safe color, and I do really like that. I like this 99J. I like 99J in general. Like, let's just keep it a whole book, girl. I like 99J in general. Like, 99J is just that girl to me, okay? She may not be everybody's cup of tea, but she is definitely my cup of tea. Yeah, like, it doesn't have any combs. Like, it fits good. I adjust the straps, and I do have on a wig grip, and it fits me fine. I feel like it's big head friendly and small head friendly. Like, I feel like adjusting the straps will, if you have a smaller head, you can make it work. And you know, the average cap size, child, y'all, you would wear whatever you want to wear. Most wigs can fit the average head, but I do feel like this wig can fit the larger head as well. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. Like, it ain't a whole lot that I have to say about it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we will get into my thoughts and stuff about this unit. Okay, y'all, so this is where the wig comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4", and this is where the wig comes to me in the back. I hope you guys can see. I feel like I am so out of focus these days. Can you see it? Can you see it, girl? Oh yeah, that's where the hair comes to me. Like I said, keep in mind I'm 5'4", so depending on your height, it can be longer or shorter. And yeah, y'all, that's it. So if you're interested in how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. How do I feel about this unit? Whenever I wear banged units, I feel like a spy. I don't know what it is about a banged wig, but it always makes me feel like I'm just like, I'm finna go spy on somebody. I guess because bangs hide your features, and you know, that's just where I get that from. But yeah, I love it. Actually, I didn't expect to really like it, but once I put it on, because it was such a simple wig, and I don't really gravitate towards straight wigs like that, and I don't really gravitate towards bangs like that. Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. So yeah, shout out to you, UNice. Okay, honey, you are nice, girl. Okay, that was so corny. That was so corny. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. I think it is an easy slay. It's an easy throw on and go. And yeah, I straightened it. It didn't take a whole lot. All I did was use my IGK good behavior, and I just went over with the flat iron a few times. Literally, I styled this wig in maybe 5 or 10 minutes. And honey, you know, you can't beat that with a stick. That's my favorite type of wig, honey. Yes, that's what I be looking for. That's what I be needing in my life. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look. I really don't, like I said, I don't have a whole lot to say about it. It's a really, really nice wig, and definitely a pleasant surprise. Once again, shout out to you, UNice. I appreciate it, girl. I appreciate it. So I guess that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Oh, my mirror is so dirty. Y'all, don't judge me. Journey comes and put her hands in that mirror. Don't judge me. If you can see it. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, and obviously, like I said, the texture is straight, and it is more of a silky, like, it's not super, not silky, like unnatural silky, but it's silky. So yeah, keep that in mind. If you're not a silky hair fan, you may not be a fan of it, but I don't know, honey, I am feeling her. She's a vibe to me. And yeah, they actually did the bangs really good. And I don't know if I said this, I'll insert pictures of it at some point so you guys can kind of see what it looked like on the site. Honestly, judging by what it looked like, not on the girl, I think it was Larisha. I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but not how it, or was it Taylor Made Jane? I think it was Larisha. Yeah, and I think I'm saying her name right. Not how it looked on her, because I tend to not go by what it looks like on other YouTubers, because she knows how to style a wig, honey. And if you don't watch her, watch her, okay? She know how to style a wig. So I didn't want to go off what it looked like on her, but I was going off what it looked like on the doggone mannequin. And I was like, oh, that ain't you. That was giving me like old Nicki Minaj tees. Not like... It was just, I ain't like it. The bang was too thick looking on there. But in actuality, the bang is actually perfection. Now, granted, it did come kind of bumped. Bump. And I just simply straightened it. And after I straightened it, it was no issue. Now, with the bangs, if you have an issue, you see how I'm wearing mine is really, really low. You don't have to do that. That's just kind of my thing. You can just simply... pull old girl back, like if you want little Chinese bangs like Beyonce was rocking for a minute, you know, you can go all the way back here. You know, that's your swag, girl. That ain't my swag. This is more my swag. I prefer more of a Selena bang. But yeah, that's one of my favorite things about bang units, is that you can, you know, do the length without actually cutting it. And yeah, y'all, that's it, because I can ramble on. No, y'all know how I get. If you are interested in this wig, check the description box down below. I will have a direct link to it. And yeah, that's it. Shout out again, once again, UNice. You came through with the come through. Okay, y'all, that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.